Learn English with Teacher Dara. I'm going to be doing weekly lessons based from these books. What does this sign mean? This sign means that a ramp is ahead. What that means is it lets drivers know to slow down because a ramp is ahead. Now, it's very important to pay attention to the shape of this sign because it not only lets you know that you need to slow down, but it also lets you know that you're going to make a sharp turn forward. And that is the way you get off on the exit. So as you are driving, you must pay attention to this sign and to the exit sign. When you see the exit sign and you see this ramp sign, this is going to let you know to slow down, and then you're going to make your exit and make that sharp turn. Once you make that turn, it will either connect you to another road or it might connect you to a bridge. It all depends on where you are driving to. As you make your turn, pay attention to the drivers ahead of you as well as beside you. This will prevent accidents. Always try your best.